specific to the solar industry as it relates with Mexico and the U.S.?
I think it's a good area of business for them. But no, I mean we can. I mean they can. I believe that they can do a very good business in the north region because we have a lot of sun, a lot of sun all the mainly all the year. It's very heat area. So in the center of the country, for the people that have the good average income, the company that they can distribute that is a very good region as well because have a lot of cities there, pretty and fancy and new technology cities like Puebla, like Querétaro, like San Luis, all that. It's many people with a high professional level, and good culture as well, and a good